metal cleaned off. See this copper, this black pipe is copper. Gotta clean it before we braze it. About to rip the torches out, as y'all see. And I'm about to go ahead and cut the pipe. I already started cutting it. This is the tool, this is what this is used for. What we'll do is, I pump the system down. You hear a little bit of freon that was in there coming out. Won't be much, we'll let it die out. What I do is pump the system down. I put all the freon into this coil right here. That way we don't have to recover it. Boom, pipes getting netted. I'm gonna do this part. I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit of the torch in action. Alright, what we did is put in the suction line dryer. Got it brazed in.